Today, I'm going to show you a secret hack to getting your favorite Dollar Tree items for less than $1. Let's get going. Let's start with this adorable 6-pack of drink markers in the new holiday seasonal aisle. I'm going to show you each one and how easily they clip onto your glasses to make having a party a breeze. At 21 cents each, this is a complete bargain and rivals drink markers you would find at high-end stores. Welcome to Skip to My Life. I'm Shannon, and I love to teach you how to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. The secret to getting really good deals at Dollar Tree is breaking items that are found in multiples to the cost per item. Let's take these giant shish kebab sticks that you only find at Dollar Tree this time of year. You're planning to have a garage sale or a party at your home and you need street markers, these shish kebab sticks are perfect. Just get some scrap cardboard or foam core paper and you can make a wonderful sign that's not going anywhere. The pointed end of the stick makes them really easy to secure in the ground, and they're just as easy to pull up when your party or your sale is finished. If you're new to Skip to My Life, a great big welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. And if you get some good ideas from today's episode, please let me know by clicking that like button. In the kids' party section, you'll find these slap bracelets that all the kids love, but they're not just good as party favors. They're also great to keep your rolls of wrapping paper nice and neat. If you use a labeling machine like I do, it's easy to make a mess of all those little rolls of paper, and these slap bracelets work really well at keeping them all organized. This Dollar Tree bargain find is also great for rolled beach towels. You can throw them in your bag, put a slap bracelet around them, and know they're going to stay put. Prices are going up everywhere, so my goal is to try to help you get the very most out of even your dollar store purchases, and that's why I hunted down 50 items all over the store that come in packs of multiples, and I'm breaking down the prices for you by item. My favorite use for these slap bracelets is to keep extension cords and electrical cords in place. Believe it or not, Dollar Tree is still selling gardening seeds for $1, and they have potting plants, 6 and 12 packs. So that breaks down to a very low cost per planter. Now, I love to use basil seeds this time of year as my spring plants are phasing out. I like to just sprinkle some basil seeds around some of my potted plants, and by the time summer is in full force, I have some wonderful basil to eat. At just 31 cents each, these matching bowls and cups are a great bargain and unbreakable. The Heartline line of Hallmark cards at Dollar Tree is still selling at 2 for $1, but they have really upped their game on the quality and diversity of these cards. Everything's better when it comes wrapped in cellophane, and these 20 loot bags are just 6 cents each. Let me show you how I used 4 of these Dollar Tree cordial cups to double my space in my craft room. By simply glue gunning these little cordial cups to the corners of a cat litter pan, I was able to stack these and use them for light storage like florals and party supplies. I love to use many of the things in the party section that come in multiple packs as small space organizers and ways to contain those tiny things we all have in our craft rooms. Fill these Dollar Tree organza bags with potpourri and you have a beautiful gift for less than $1. Here's a great Dollar Tree travel hack. Pick up this 20-pack of balloons in the party section and use them as safe skins to cover all of your liquids. These work just as well as the higher price competitors, and at 6 cents versus 53 cents, there is no competition. Let's talk about multiple packs of shower caps at Dollar Tree. Now, you can use these as they're intended, but they also make great covers for your dirty or wet things that you're trying to pack in your suitcase. I couldn't believe my eyes when I visited the party section and saw these beautiful, brilliant, bright bows at just 63 cents a piece. And you can pair it with their bags that are 3 for $1.25 to make a grand total of $1.05 for your gift wrapping. This way you can put more money into the gift itself. A pair of glass dropper containers at Dollar Tree is only 63 cents. Online, the cheapest I could find them were 75 cents a piece. These are great for traveling with any kind of serum or oils that don't do well in plastic. Dollar Tree's glue gun sticks are just 25 cents a piece, and their condiment bottles are 2 for $1.25. I'm using Dollar Tree's 3-pack of tablets this summer in this really convenient size that fits well in my purse or my catch-all area. And don't even bother going to the office supply store for highlighters or dry erase markers. They're so much less expensive in multi-packs at Dollar Tree. These sturdy clip magnets come in handy all around the house. My preference is the 2-pack of white. They're 63 cents each, and they do a great job holding lots of paper to your refrigerator. Dollar Tree is a great place to stock up on these multi-packs of office items that when you need them, you need them. I love these magnetic closures in all these different colors. It would be a great idea to color code things for your kids for the summer. Take advantage of name brand overstocks at Dollar Tree that come in multi-packs. It's really hard to beat this 4-pack of styrofoam for floral arrangements around your house. I bought this adorable fern from Walmart, and I can link to that below, but I was just able to use one of those little blocks and make a stunning arrangement. Train yourself when you're shopping Dollar Tree to look for items in multi-packs, whether they're simple things or things that cost a little bit more. This exact pair of candles could be found in a 3-pack just a couple steps down. So we saved 20 cents just looking for a higher multi-pack. If you love scented candles, Dollar Tree carries these luminaries at 21 cents per candle, but if you enjoy just the plain white light, the larger pack is 6 cents a piece. The Dollar Tree hooks have improved so much over time. They have both removable and adhesive hooks. Make sure you look to see how much these hooks will hold and make sure it's appropriate for the task you have in mind. If you're looking for a classy and inexpensive jewelry holder, pick up one of these standing frames from Dollar Tree and attach 5 of the clear adhesive hooks to the top. For less than $2, you have a wonderful system to hang all your jewelry from that you'll love to look at each morning. Well, I've learned to always keep a tube of super glue in my house because you never know when you're going to need it, and Dollar Tree is the king of super glue. These masks are also one of those items when you need them, you need them. And let's talk about cleaning towels. Dollar Tree has 2 for $1.25, both in the cleaning section and the automotive section. And this next hack will help you keep your house clean and tidy. Attach your microfiber cloth to a Swiffer type mop, and when you're finished, throw that in the washing machine. This is the best time of year to buy metal skewers from Dollar Tree, and you just can't beat the price for this multi-pack. Dollar Tree is giving us 2 of these essentials organizing hooks in a packet. They come in black, gray, and white, and they're perfect for hanging wet swimsuits or any clothes that you don't want to put in the dryer. If you're ready to store away some of those cold weather clothes, pick up a multi-pack of these 2 large bags or one of the extra large bags. You can fit 2 pairs of long boots in one of these bags, and they zip up so they will not be covered with dust next year when you need them. Dollar Tree's 2-pack of delicate laundry bags make great organizers for kids' clothes in the summer and also as packing cubes for your next trip. If you or someone you love has a latex allergy, pick up this multi-pack of nitrile gloves from Dollar Tree. Nightlight and scent warmer bulbs can be so expensive, but not at Dollar Tree. They're 42 cents a piece in this multi-pack. You can pay $1.25 for one name brand magic eraser or get 2 Dollar Tree brand for the same price. These Clean Life bamboo-based cloths are my absolute favorite, and they come 2 for $1.25. Look for this bridal center. It's a new one at Dollar Tree. You can get 2 of these adorable diamond-shaped sponges for $1.25 or 3 of the tiny ones for the same price. Let's do a little price comparison between the Dollar Tree Plus section and the regular section. The price for these socks is $5 for a pack, but that breaks down to a little under 70 cents per pair. Now let's go over to the regular $1.25 section and see what their multi-packs break down to. Dollar Tree has every kind of sock you can imagine. They even carry shapewear and children's and baby socks. And believe it or not, these multi-packs in the $1.25 section are exactly the same price per pair. So if you'd rather have some of those higher end socks in the Dollar Tree Plus section, go ahead and get them. This is a whirlwind of 50 plus items that Dollar Tree sells in multiples. So this is one of those episodes you may want to go back and watch again. Checking out this multi-pack of diaper disposal bags. Let's see what they're all about. Well, the first thing that I noticed is that they have a really handy little spot where they come out, but they looked extremely flimsy at 2 cents each. I wanted to try them out, so I put a 5-pound weight and they held that weight really well, to my surprise. Dollar Tree has a large selection when it comes to multi-packs of combs, so it's going to depend on price per comb depending on how many are in the pack you select. Definitely check Dollar Tree first for any kind of hair care before you go elsewhere. I know these same hair supplies cost 2 to 3 times per piece at other stores. You can use these clear travel jars for their intended purpose, but you can also use them for what I call micro-organizing, and I'm going to show you an example of that in my medicine cabinet organization. This office organizer is perfect for the backs of doors, especially in your bathroom, and then these small round containers help divide those pockets even further. Let me say how much I appreciate you coming along with me today. If you've been watching for a while and you haven't subscribed yet, can I please ask you a favor? My next goal is to get to 100,000 and I'm getting very close. So if you wouldn't mind subscribing, if you're enjoying this channel, it would mean the world to me. Most Dollar Tree stores carry a reduced merchandise section and everything there is perfectly fine. Sometimes the package has just been opened, so don't forget to check there first. Plastic ice cube trays in 2 packs are the perfect organizer for small earrings and jewelry drawers. Now you can see everything you have, and you can even stack these on top of each other to make so much space. My channel is all about small space organizing and downsizing, and I could not pass up talking about Dollar Tree drawer organizers. They are really hard to beat in price and sturdiness. I have had some that I've used for years, so before you organize any small space, check out Dollar Tree. Whether your day's been good or bad, don't forget that today is not the end of your story, so do not give up, my friend.